Experiencing the frustrating your virus and threat protection is managed by your organization issue on Windows 10 or 11, fear not. This video is your ultimate guide to regaining control over your antivirus settings. To fix your virus and threat protection is managed by your organization in Windows 11 or 10. Step 1. Press Window plus R to open the Run dialog. Step 2. Type regedit and press Enter to open the registry editor. Step 3. Navigate to HKey Local Machine, Software, Policies, Microsoft, Windows, Defender. Step 4. Check for a registry entry named Disable Anti-Spyware on the right side. Step 5. If it exists, double-click on it and set the value to 0 to enable Windows Defender. Step 6. If the entry doesn't exist, right-click on an empty space, choose New, then dword 32-bit value and named it Disable Anti-Spyware. Set its value to 0. Step 7. Close the registry editor. Step 8. Restart your computer. This should resolve the issue and allow you to manage the virus and threat protection settings on your Windows system.